Hi there, welcome to my shop. I'm John. I'm just a DIY guy helping DIYers like yourself. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your dust collection fittings and lose that headache forever. All you need is an 1.5 inch piece of PVC, an 1.5 inch coupler. I'm going to show you how we're going to make this work. I'm going to cut this down to 4-inch pieces. This coupler is really close to the same size. I just put a piece of tape on there and it fits right in there. So that worked out for 3 of my tools. Okay, you have your coupler in there. Take your 4-inch piece, just tap it in there. We have to get this hose to fit inside this piece of PVC, and this is the trick of the trade. I'm going to show you. It's going to save you time, money, and a headache. I'm going to show you in real time how to heat this piece of PVC up and reshape it for your perfect fitting. The clock is about 3 minutes after 10. We're starting right now. All you need is a heat gun. This one's $20 at Harbor Freight, but I'm going to try to find you a cheaper one. This is the only thing you have to purchase besides a couple PVC parts. Pretty cheap. All right, here we go. We're getting close. You want to get it nice and soft. Woo, almost ready. Ooh, yeah. All right. It's only been a couple minutes. All right, get your hose ready as you're still heating it up. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Look at that. All right, shut your gun off. Here we go. You just gotta work it in there. Push it in there. That is it. Look at that. See it shapes to that? It's nice and hot now. Let it cool down all the way. You could spray some water on there, let it cool completely down before you take this out. If not, it'll go back to its original shape. We finished that fitting in about, what, 4 minutes? So it's cooled down. Let me pull it out and you see how good that looks. It's the shape of the hose. It fits in there. Just nice. This is the best trick of the trade I've ever learned over the years. I have one more thing to show you where this won't work. Right here with this wind oscillating spindle sander, this dust port is a lot smaller. So I just wrapped a little tape around there, like 3 times around, and this fits on there pretty good. Heat that up and hose clamp that to fit if you wanted to do that. I chose not to do it. We went with the tape, DIY style. If this video was helpful, I have a shop tour right here. I show you everything in my shop, every single tool, and there's more tricks of the trade. Hope to see you over there. Thanks for watching.